Python coding. Welcome to lesson number 4. Drawing shapes with Python Turtle. Objectives. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to understand what the Python Turtle tool is and how it helps the computer draw shapes. Create a simple Python program that starts and uses the turtle. Use turtle commands such as forward, right, and color. Use a loop to repeat steps when drawing shapes. Draw an orange octagon using turtle. Draw a pink pentagon using Python turtle. Understand that shapes are created by moving forward, turning to the correct angle, and repeating the steps. Before we get started, as always, if you get stuck, check spelling, check parentheses, check indentation, check quotation marks, read the error message out loud, convert math input to float, and remember, Python is a case-sensitive language. Today we are going to teach our computer how to draw. Computers cannot draw by themselves, so we must give them instructions. We will use a tool in Python called Turtle again. The turtle is like a little robot with a pen that can draw lines. Today we will draw an orange octagon and a pink pentagon. Let's review what we already learned. We learned in our last lesson that Python Turtle is a drawing tool. Imagine a tiny turtle holding a crayon. When we tell it to move, it draws a line. It can move forward, turn, change colors, and draw shapes. Let's get started. First, we must tell Python we want to use turtle. Type the code into Trinket. You can pause the video while you type. This line loads the turtle drawing tool. Think of it like opening a box of crayons. Creating our turtle. Now we can create the turtle. Type this code into your computer. You can pause the video again while you type. We made a turtle and named it Pin. Now we can give the turtle instructions. Choosing a color. Let's make our turtle draw an orange. Type this code into your computer. You can pause the video again while you type. This tells the turtle what color crayon to use. We'll make an octagon. What is it? An octagon is a shape with 8 sides. We will draw it in orange. To draw it, we must move forward, turn a little, and do this 8 times. Here's a picture of an octagon. Here is our octagon code. Type this code into your computer. You can pause the video again while you type. Explaining the code. Pin-up tells the turtle not to draw while it is moving. Pin go to -100 to 100 tells the turtle to move to that specific spot. Pin down tells the turtle to start drawing again. For I in range 8 is a for loop. The 8 means repeat 8 times. Forward 50 means to move forward 50 steps. Right 45 is to turn right 45 degrees. If we do that 8 times, we make an octagon. Now let's draw a pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides. We will draw it in pink. Here's a picture of a pentagon. Here is our pentagon code. Type it into your computer below the octagon code. You can pause the video again while you type. Why 72 degrees? A full circle is 360 degrees. Pentagons have 5 sides, so 360 divided by 5 is 72. So we turn 72 degrees each time. The final code for both shapes should look like this. This is what the finished project looks like. If you have questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.